Epic blizzard conditions continue at Donner Summit, California. Blizzard at Donner Summit, California. Definitely global warming. Happening now, worst blizzard conditions I've ever experienced in my life at Donner Summit, California. Covering the monster snowbanks at Donner Summit in the Sierra Nevadas. Therefore, worst blizzard conditions I've ever experienced in my life at Donner Summit, California. Do not attempt to drive on I-80 over Donner Summit. Officers have been responding to stuck motorists all day. Travel conditions are extremely dangerous with zero visibility and blizzard conditions. Stay home and don't put your life in danger. I'm at a loss as to why anyone would drive over Donner Summit in a snowstorm.